Good morning, children, and welcome to English class. And who is this? This is your English teacher, Pooja Sharma. Today, what we will do? We will do Unit 2 Prose I Want. So, children, I want to ask you something. You sometimes say, I want new shoes. I want new dress. I want toys. I want candies and chocolates. So what do you mean by that when you say so? You say you wish for it. You want that thing to come before you. So you are wishing for something. But sometimes you also say, give me a glass of water or give me breakfast early. So that is not want. That is you need. Need is different from want. Want is wishing for something, while need is something which you require, which every child requires. Food and water is required by everyone, so that is need. So in this chapter we will see how a monkey wishes for something and he realizes that the wish was not rather good for him. So let's see. So I'll read this story. I want to be big, says little monkey. I want to be strong. So the monkey is thinking that I want to be big and I want to be strong. So he is wishing for this thing. A wise woman hears him. A wise woman, so like a fairy or something, in this case this is a fairy only. So a wise woman hears him and she says, take this magic wand, she says, and all your wishes can come true. So this wise woman gives the monkey a magic wand. So magic wand is what? The wand which can, actually bring all your wishes come true. So like when you just wave the magic wand and you can wish for anything. So that is like something miracle for the monkey. So now what happens? The giraffe comes by. He stretches his long neck. He eats the sweet leaves at the top of the trees. So when this is happening, this wise woman was giving this magic wand to the monkey. Suddenly a monkey came by and he stretches his long neck and he eats the sweet leaves at the top of the trees. A giraffe has a long neck and he can easily reach the long big trees and he can eat the sweet leaves which are at the top. So this was being watched by the monkey. I want a long neck, says little monkey. So by looking at the giraffe, he suddenly wished that I want a long neck, and pop, what happened? The monkey gets a long neck. So you can see the monkey with the long neck. And how is he looking? I think he's looking funny. His neck grows long just like the giraffe's. Little monkey is happy. So his wish has come true. Now he's happy. Then what happens? An elephant comes down to the river. He fills his trunk with water. He blows it all over himself. So you can see here that the elephant is has a long trunk, and what he can do with the trunk, he can easily fill it with water and blow it all over himself. So this looks very funny and nice to the monkey. He wants to do this thing. So he says, I want to do that too, says little monkey, and bang. So what do you think will happen after bang? So bang, the monkey will get the trunk, because magic wand was like that only. It will fulfill all his wishes. And what happens? You can see there is a trunk on the monkey's face. So now just like that he grows a trunk. He is very happy. This is fun, he says. So he's liking this. Whatever he's wishing is coming true. So he's liking this and he's very happy. Next, little monkey sees a zebra. Now he is looking at the zebra and he thinking that I also want the stripes, because these stripes are very unique. You don't find such stripes, white and black. So he says, I want like stripes like those. He says this, and what happens? Whiz. So you know that what will happen after whiz? The little monkey has stripes all over his body, just like the zebra. He is very, very happy. He will be happy indeed. Why? Because all his wishes are coming true. He goes to the river to try out his new trunk. So now he was thinking, okay, I will also fill up the water and blow on myself, and now he's going to the river to try out his new trunk. He looks down. He sees himself in the water. So now all this has happened. He has not looked at how he's, he's not seen his appearance after all these changes. So he looks himself in the water. And what happens? Mother, he cries, help, a monster. So looking himself in the river, he is thinking that there is a monster in the river. Because although it is himself only, the face has changed so much that he is not able to recognize himself. That's not a monster. That's not a monster, says his mother. That's you. So monster, is what? Is a very grumpy looking creature, you can say, with very unusual looks. So mother is saying, that's not monster, that's you only. You want a giraffe neck, an elephant's trunk, and stripes like zebra, don't you remember? So mother is saying, you only wished for all that. Then how can you be scared of yourself? It is you only. Little monkey cries and cries. I look awful, he says. Awful means very awkward, very bad. I looked awful, he says. I want to be myself again. So now he is again wishing. He has wished for what? He has wished to be himself again. And what happens? There is a pop, bang, and a whiz. So now it is the reverse of what has happened before. So again the same sounds, pop, bang, and whiz. The little monkey is himself again. He jumps for joy. So now monkey is happy because see, you can see that how monster like he is looking in this picture, and he wanted to be himself again. So now he jumps for joy after he becomes himself again. He throws the magic wand into the river, and he never wants to be anyone else again. So now he is happy that he is monkey only, and he doesn't want the trunk, he doesn't want the long neck, he doesn't want the stripes, and he never wants to be anything else because he has thrown away the magic wand. So children, we should appreciate what we have, and if we try to be, try to look like others or try to behave like others, we will rather look awful, or we will rather look monster like. So we should try to focus on what we have, and that is the best. Okay, little children, now we will see the new words. So the first word is strong. This you can do in your notebook also. So what do you mean by strong? Strong means having great physical power and ability. So although there can be many more meanings, but here we will say physical power. Mental power also means strong. So what can be the sentence? The strong man lifted the heavy log. If somebody is having lot of physical bodily strength, then the person can easily lift the heavy log, right? Also we can use the word strong for things like a strong wind blew the old hut down. The strong wind blew the old hut down. So the wind can also be strong. Okay, the next word is wand. So as you can see, the wand is the special thing used by the magicians or conjurers, special cylinder rod, and it is supposed to have magical powers. So he waved his magic wand and a rabbit disappeared or appeared. So that is how we can use the word wand. I wish I could just wave a magic wand and make everything alright. So sometimes we wish we have the magic wand. So thank you. So next we will go to the next word, and it is wishes. To have a desire for or a want. So any want you have or a wish or a desire is wishes. When I was little, I made a wish to be able to fly. I wish you good luck. So all this can be. So sometimes you wish for yourself and sometimes you wish for others. So these can be the sentences. Next word is blows. So blows means to move with great speed, or the blowing action. As you can see in the picture, the girl is blowing the candles. So what she is doing, she is sending forth a strong stream of air from the mouth. So this blowing action is can be there or something. So in the second picture you can see the blowing of the wind, because it is moving at a great speed. So both can be the meaning of blows. Sentence can be the wind was blowing all night. She blew on the baby's fingers to warm them in cold. So sometimes you blow air from your mouth to bring more warmth on a cold day, right children? Okay, now we will see the next word, trunk. So the long snout of an elephant or the main stem of a tree. So there can be again two meanings of trunk. The snout of the elephant is also called trunk, and the main stem of a tree, the thick stem of the tree, is also called trunk. So the sentences can be the little mouse hopped on the elephant's big long trunk. And next is she circled the tree placing rocks around its trunk. So both the meanings I have used in the sentences. Children, complete this work in your notebook. And the next word is monster. So an imaginary creature usually having various human and animal parts. So as such, it is not a real creature. Monster is only an imaginary creature and is believed to have very different, unusual look, which has animal and human parts. So we use the word monster sometimes jokingly. Also we call each other monster. So the first sentence can be, Sarah jokingly called her my monster. That man is an inhuman monster. If somebody is doing certain act which is very very bad or animal like, we can sometimes say the person monster. Okay children, thank you. I will bring a new video for the book and the new notebook work. For now, stay home, stay safe. Thank you children.